Right, Mercedes GLA, offside front wheel, some heavy curbing around the edge there, and it's battered down here. So yeah, we're going to get it off, get it prepped, get it cut, let's get on with it. Give it a nice degrease. Let's get probing. Bush. Right, we've created our profile. So even though the wheel looks semi-flat, if you look at the bend on the graph, it goes from the bottom up and back down again. So it's amazing how much incline and decline you have on a diamond cut wheel. So we're now going to get our tip onto the start point, which we mapped out. This gives us the start of the cut to make sure we follow that probe perfectly. First cut, let's do it. So we're doing a bit of a deburr, so this stops us having sharp edges. Right, final cut. So the final cut's getting done, and a lot of people ask us how much metal we take off the wheel. So as you can see on this machine, the VL24, great machine, 0.33 of a millimetre. That's less than half a millimetre. Banging. Two minutes. Locking wheel nut back in the box where it belongs. Not lucky enough to have one of my little bags. That's all done in lovely Loughton. Don't forget we cover Essex, Hertfordshire and London. So give us a call 0333 207 9971 or visit the website justwillrepair.co.uk.